Hello guys, welcome back. Um, this is a model I did for a client. It was done without a blueprint. So in this video, I'll show you how to cut or make this part right here in the model. But mainly, I use the side view mainly to do the whole part of the car. Like I had to find a good side view of the car to model the rest. So let's get to this. So let us take this, slide it using double G. Let me turn on my screen cascade. Yeah, then SY0 to straighten it. Also do the same for this part right here. SY0 to straighten it. Let's move it back a little. Then add an extra loop right here, then Ctrl P to bevel to this point right here. Then also add an extra loop right here. Then move it up a little like that. Then select these two, then join it. Select these two vertices, then join it. So now, what I want to do right now is select those faces, then delete the faces. Now, I want to select these two vertices right here, then extrude it downward like that. I think, yeah. Then select these three, then fill the faces. View from selected. Also do the same for this part right here, and then fill the faces. Then also I like to add loop cut right here, and then use our knife to cut out this part right here. Also do the same for this, add loop cut right there, and then use our knife to cut out that part. Then you can now select these faces, select these two vertices, then F to fill like so. Then I want to make sure this is even, so select the whole loop, then double G and then E and F to like slide it and position it somewhere like that. Yeah, then select this and then slide it, select this, also slide it, select this, slide it, select this too, and slide it like so. Then add an extra loop and move it closer to this part. Add another extra loop and move it closer to this part. Also add an extra loop and move it closer to this part, right there. So now select these two vertices, then merge at the center, slide it, then merge by distance. Also do the same for this part, merge at the center and slide these two vertices, collapse them like so. Then for this middle part, add an extra loop right here and then move it, add another one, then move it closer to that. Then I just try to merge them. Then also I like to add one extra loop right here, like so. So we get that. So now for this part, add an E loop cut, then E, so move it down like so, and there we have it. If you want more tips like this, let me know, and see you in the next video. Thanks.